Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with the casts. So when we click here I want to do the same thing, display all the casts. So in the movie app created with Livewire, when we click here we display the cast, only the image and the name. Okay, so go to the VS Code and I'm going to close this. Now inside the Frontend, create new folder and name it casts, and inside there a new file index.view. Okay, I'm going to copy what we have in the TV show, select all, copy, close this, paste it here and make changes. All casts here, and now instead of the TV show select all the TV show and say cast. Okay, so here we have V for casts in casts, and here also we need casts and cast poster path. Okay, next one is here also say casts and cast name. Okay, and in the props we need to define casts. Save this one and open the cast controller, Frontend, and I'm going to say return inertia render frontend slash casts slash index, and we need to add casts, which is going to be cast order by updated at task and paginate. Okay, I'm going to paginate by 12. Save, import the inertia. Okay, and go and try it. Refresh here. Oh, we need to run the npm run watch. Sorry, npm run watch. Okay, now refresh. If I go to the casts, and yeah, we display the casts and also the we need to make some changes here. So we go to the index and first remove this play. I don't want to display that. Okay, so this div here. And this new. Save. Refresh. And I think now it's more okay. Okay friends, that's it how we can display the casts. See you in the next one. All the best.